Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're going to be talking about a really awesome peach tree, so stay tuned. I've already made a video on this particular variety of peach, but I got a few comments asking for a little more in-depth video, so that's what I'm going to do right now. This is Prunus persica bonanza, and it's a very, very compact growing peach tree. It's only going to get to about 5 to 8 feet tall after many years of growing. This thing has been in the ground for 4 years now, and it's only a little over 6 feet tall. This is a great variety of peach. If you live in an apartment and you have a balcony and you want to keep it in a pot, this is great for that. As far as cold hardiness goes, this thing is cold hardy all the way to zone 6. I don't suggest planting it in zone 6 because you're going to end up losing a lot of your fruit due to late frosts. Even in zone 7 some years, we lose all of our fruit. This year we got all the way down to negative 15 degrees, so all of the blossoms died on this, so we're probably not going to get very much fruit at all. However, this thing loves to be planted in full sun. It's self-fruitful, so you only need one of them, so give it all the sun you can, and it can be all by itself, or you could plant it with other varieties, and it's going to give you fruit either way. And I can attest to the fact that this thing is a very heavy bloomer and fruiter. My wife actually gets mad because I come out here and eat all the fruit without her. They're a good-sized peach, but they're a little smaller than your normal store-bought peach, but very, very sweet, very good. That's why they don't even make it inside at my house. As far as the general maintenance is concerned on this tree, you are going to have a spraying schedule because pests love this peach tree as much as you will. If you do not spray this tree, you're going to lose your fruit. It's susceptible to fruit tree borer, and so sometimes you're going to see a sap start coming out of your tree on the actual trunk of the tree as well as the tips of the branches. That's a very, very common problem to have, so if you see that happening, it's not unusual. You are going to have a spraying schedule, unfortunately, and if you're not somebody that likes to spray your trees, I wouldn't suggest getting this tree. Another really common problem with this tree that I've seen is leaf curl. Like the name implies, it's actually just a curling of the leaves. It kind of makes the leaves look funky. I like to go in and pull all those leaves off. And also having a spraying regimen is going to help with this problem as well. Like I said, it's not the most low maintenance tree in the world, but because of its compact size, it's a very desirable tree to have and it has great tasting fruit. If you guys have grown any other varieties of peaches, you know that they get really, really tall. They're really hard to spray when they get that tall. You're going to have to go in there and really chop them back in order to be able to reach all of the fruit to take care of the tree health. This tree stays compact like this. The only pruning that's going to have to be done to this thing is dead wood in the center, and that's really only going to happen occasionally. There's not going to be a lot of it. If it gets pretty cold in the winter, those smaller branches can die. But besides that, the pruning is minimal. The fruit tastes really, really good. You're just going to have to spray the tree a little bit, but besides that, it's a great tree to have. I highly recommend this tree if you want to grow it in a pot, or if you just don't have a lot of space and you want to plant one of these trees to be able to have peaches while not taking away the yard from the kids or the dogs or, whatever the reason is. So I highly suggest getting this tree. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave any comments if I missed any information that you guys would like to know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.